So you've spent a ton of time looking at design, being part of the design field. When you think about the future of design, what are you most excited about?
I am so excited to see what people make next. And I feel like humans, when they get tools in their hands, do these great things. And they get new tools all the time. And the tools, change all the time. And to watch what people do and what they think of and how they get creative and how they build what they're thinking about, I just fascinated to see how that'll play out. The other thing that I'm really excited about is the explosion of diversity of people coming from really different backgrounds to design, which was, a pretty homogenous group 20 years ago. And it's certainly talked about as a homogenous group, whether it really was or not. And then now for there to be so many groups, so many different kinds of people coming into it, that's pretty fascinating, especially when you combine it with that first point. If you have new people with new ideas building new kinds of things, that's going to be pretty cool. And those are the things that I get really excited about. And that's part of why I'm so excited about Figma, because that's what we're trying to do.